This program calculates electricity bill. It asks how many kilowatts hour used. And if you use 100 kilowatts hour or less, the price is 5 pesos per kilowatts hour. If it's more than 100 kilowatts hour, the price becomes 8 pesos per kilowatts hour. After that, it adds 50 pesos to the bill as a fixed charge. Then it shows the total amount you need to pay.